So I've been noticing some really weird stuff in the Walmart. Here's a set of sockets here. $5. But yet these next to them are 15. These are $3 for a set of Allen keys. Wait, the Torx next to them are $12. $3. 3/8 ratchet, $4. So, $5 for these impact sockets, 15 through 24. So 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, $5 for these. It's kind of interesting. I'm thinking, like, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, so it skips 23. But, I mean, for $5, I mean, like, seriously, you could buy this and just throw it in your glove box. I don't know, these are a 1/2 inch. It says SAE in millimeter. So one of these is in the wrong spot. I don't see the other ones. But there's some crazy prices. These needle nose pliers are $1.50, but the smaller ones next to them are $4.50. This hammer is $1. Ball peen hammer is $1. I mean, there's just like crazy weird prices. I don't know. Strange. I saw this flashlight, $1.50. Where was it? These insulated screwdrivers. It's like, I wonder what the price was before, if it's underneath there. Guess not. But just strange. Like, I wonder if they screwed up. I don't know. Seems weird. $10 for that. It's like, what the hell? I don't know, man. It's just really weird.